everybody. We decided to go a little old school. It's TLC Waterfall. Hope you like it. I know y'all watching the videos, but we really need y'all to subscribe. So go to YouTube, make a YouTube, subscribe, and get on the train. We also have McCaden here today. He's my biggest fan, so.
Still weak.